It is 401. We had Mexico City eating at VIPs, the chicharrones, fried chicken, tacos. That's the drink, alcoholic drink. This fool over here eating steak tacos. Look good though. That's cactus right there. I don't know if you know that. That's cactus right here.
Pepper?
Cactus.
So I eat it with my beer?
Chicharrones.
I think so.
Off the chain. Yeah, it's off the chain. That's cactus right here. Real good stuff. We order it all the time in Orlando. And we up here chilling.
Cactus.
Day off. Yeah, that's great. Real good.
Nope, not a fan of it.
Chicharrones. Look at these tacos. Damn. That'd be a franchise or something. It's called VIPs in Mexico City. Check it out. VIPs. Don't see the name. Got a little state at the bottom. I don't know what it means, but it's all good. Coke. Definitely said no ice, just in case. But chicharrones, you know what I mean? Fried pork. Skin. Alright, I'm out. Get an Anthony Bent for Peace.